Your rice cooker just became a fermentation powerhouse. Let me show you how to make vibrant pineapple-infused rice wine. No fancy equipment, just patience and these simple steps. Start with 500 grams glutinous rice. No soaking needed. Add 400 ml water and 2 chunks of fresh pineapple. The natural enzymes in pineapple work magic here. You cook and let the rice cooker do its job. Once done, this is critical. Let it cook completely to room temperature. Now, the game changer. 1 packet of probiotic rice wine starter. Add about 100 ml water to help mix it evenly unless you are using watery fruits like dragon fruits. Gently fold everything together with clean hands, then flatten the surface and create a small well in the center. This wine window lets you monitor the fermentation progress. Let it ferment at room temperature for 24 hours. You will see liquid pooling in the well. That's your sign to add 500 ml water for the second fermentation. Just 5 more hours and boom, you've got living probiotic-rich rice wine with a tropical twist. The pineapple gives it a bright acidity that balances the sweetness perfectly. Remember, no soil or salt contamination. Stick to the measurements and patience during cooling. Follow these rules and even first timers need this every time.